Hey everyone, welcome back to Hani's channel. If you're passionate about social media and looking to turn that passion into a profitable business, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into how to become a social media manager. I'll walk you through the steps, initial costs, potential revenue, and profits. Plus, I'll share some helpful resources to get you started. So, let's get into it. Step 1. Understanding the role. First things first, what does a social media manager actually do? Your main job is to manage a brand's online presence across various social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. You'll create content, engage with followers, analyze performance metrics, and develop strategies to grow the brand's audience. Step 2. Develop your skills. To be successful, you need to develop a specific set of skills. Content creation. Learn graphic design basics using tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Copywriting. Develop your ability to write engaging posts that resonate with your target audience. Analytics. Understand how to use tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, and Hootsuite to track and measure your success. Step 3. Build a portfolio. Before you can start landing clients, you need a portfolio. Start by managing social media accounts for friends, local businesses, or even a personal blog. Document your results, like follower growth, engagement rates, and successful campaigns, and compile them into a professional portfolio. Step 4. Set up your business. Now let's talk about setting up your business. Decide whether you'll operate as a sole proprietor, LLC, or other entity. Costs for setting up an LLC typically range from $50 to $500 depending on your state. Use platforms like Wix or Squarespace to build a simple website showcasing your services. Expect to spend around $100 to $300 annually for hosting and domain registration. Tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Canva Pro can make your work more efficient. Monthly subscriptions can range from $15 to $100 depending on the level of service you need. Step 5. Finding clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. You can also network on LinkedIn or join social media groups where small business owners are looking for help. Research local businesses that might need your services and send them a personalized pitch. Step 6. Pricing your services. Your startup costs might be low, ranging from $500 to $1,500 depending on the tools and services you choose. As a beginner, you can charge $15 to $50 per hour. With experience, rates can go up to $100 or more per hour. Monthly retainers typically range from $500 to $3,000 per client. If you manage to secure 3 to 4 clients at $1,000 each, you're looking at $3,000 to $4,000 per month. Deduct your expenses and you could net around $2,500 to $3,500 monthly. Step 7. Expand and scale. Once you're comfortable managing a few clients, consider scaling your business. You can hire freelancers to help with content creation or management. Expand your services to include social media advertising or influencer marketing. Offer training or consulting services for businesses wanting to manage their own accounts. Supporting sites. Here are some great resources to help you on your journey. Hootsuite Academy, where you can learn social media management from one of the top platforms in the industry. HubSpot Academy, which offers free courses on inbound marketing and social media. And Canva, a must-have tool for creating professional-looking graphics. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Hani's channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified when I post new content. If you have any questions or need further tips, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.